Okay, hello everyone. Good morning. So, how well are you? Good, fine. Okay, so we will be starting our class today with the topic promise. And before starting our class, promise everyone, first of all, like you will be giving your 100%. Okay, okay. So, can you write on the chat? Ready, everyone? 1 or 0? Okay. Okay, thank you for your response. Okay, so today's topic is promise. So in the real life, like now only when I was starting the class, I told you to give you a promise, everyone to promise me. So what can be the possibilities? What is the promise? Like, what is the thing promise? Okay, okay, good response. So when we promise something, maybe some of you will fulfill this, the promise, and maybe someone will not fulfill this. That's mean when we make any promise, it can be fulfilled or it can be rejected. That's mean it will be not fulfilled. Same like this, promise in JavaScript is a object which returns some value when it is resolved or rejected. Like if I want to do some work but not in current, like in future, so we promise the things. In JavaScript also we make some function which will not give you the answer directly, like it will first resolve or reject, or it will take some time to give you some your answer. That is a promise, and it's just an object. Okay, whenever anyone asks you like what is a promise, then promise is an object which resolve or reject and give us a value. Okay, and okay, so why we use promise? Already said, like if you want some answers or logic, like in some interval of time, like in future, by checking it, like if it is true or false, using some condition after that. So we use promise. So in JavaScript, so whenever we want to use something, we have to create that. So there is two step. First is creating phase. Second is consuming phase. Okay, everyone with me? Okay. To create a promise, we directly define like XYZ equal to new promise. Why we use new keyword? Why we use promise keyword? This is just a syntax. Just we will not go so deep. So this is a syntax to make a promise, to create a promise. Okay. So when we make a promise, we inside this we have one callback function. Okay. In this callback function, we have two arguments. What are they? Resolve and reject. These are the two arguments which we pass inside this as an argument. And whenever the condition, whatever condition we want to check inside this promise, after that, if you want like this condition is fulfilled, so you can call resolve or you can call reject method. Okay. So like let's make one function demo promise. Okay, pretty small demo promise, and it will return me a promise. Okay, new promise. Let's see, here we are defining it. Okay, and we are returning a new promise. Got it? We have assigned here a promise and we are returning a promise from a whenever we call this function. Okay, promise, and inside that we'll use resolve and reject. Got it? Everything? Clear till now? Now, if we console this demo promise and we will call inside this, so what will we get this? Like, what will be the output? It will be a promise, and it is in a pending state. We have not called any resolve, we have not called any reject. It is in a pending state. This is a promise. We have made a promise, like it is just a pending in state. It can be resolved or it can be rejected. So this is the way to create a promise. So in a simple way, like we will do something like if let it be let a equals to 3 or 5, if resolve, sorry, if a equal to 5, what we will do, we will call this resolve. This is resolved. Else we will call this reject. This rejected. Okay, one doubt is there. Can we rename this resolve and reject? Yes, it can be anything. We will check it later. Okay, I will show you. But what it should be resolve and reject only. Okay, let's check it out. First of all, console this. Clear. And you can see like this is again, it is a promise only, but inside that the condition is fulfilled. Because of the condition, it is true, but still it is a promise. We are not getting a proper value. So to consume it, it is returning a promise. It is returning a promise. To consume this promise, we use dot then dot catch. We will see this. Just a minute. So this is a chart. Here we can see we are currently in the promise phase. Just a minute. Page down. Page down. Okay. Yeah. Now, if the condition is true, like you have fulfilled the promise, so we can catch this resolve because we are calling this resolve method. So how we catch this? So we will catch this using dot then. And if we call reject, like if the condition is not fulfilled and reject method is called, so this will be captured by dot catch. These two methods are there. Dot then, dot catch. If it is resolved, we will catch using dot then. If not, we will catch with dot catch method. Just simple. Got it? Everyone with me? Okay. So now, instead of consoling direct returning this, we will call demo promise and we will catch it using dot then. Inside this dot then, we will be having one callback function. Till now, everyone with me? Now, whatever we already said, like when we call this resolve, it will be catched here as an argument. Okay, anything inside this. If it is resolved, it will catch using dot then. And this value inside this resolve, we will go inside this E. Dot catch. It will also have a callback function. Same, both are C, same. Dot then, dot catch. If it is resolved, it will be captured by dot then. If it is reject, it will be captured by catch method. And inside this will be captured by this argument. Till now, everyone clear? Simple, just simple, resolve and reject. Resolve will be catched by them. Reject will be catched by catch method. Okay. Okay. Good, everyone with me. Now here we will console this in. Console.log. This is resolved. And the value is whatever we want to write, we will give. Okay, the message is already E. We don't returning anything, so we will just print E. And inside this also we will do console.log E. Okay, now if we call this Let's check out what happens. See, now we are not getting any promise. We are getting a direct value. This is resolved. Okay. Like we are capturing this. We are capturing this resolve method using dot then. Now what happened if it is fail? Like if it is 6, the value is 6. Now, if condition is not fulfilled, what happened? It will go to the else method. Now it will be rejected now. Now what it will happen? It will be captured by using dot catch. So for your clarification, I will just write here, this is catch plus. Okay. Now if run it, see, this is a catch, this is rejected. That's mean now the condition is not fulfilling and it is rejected. And this is rejected thing is catch by using dot catch method. Got it, everyone? Till here, everyone with me? So here what we have done, we have created, and here what we have done, we have consumed. Two things, create and consuming it. Using it's simple creation, promise with a two thing, resolve and reject. And then we have used consume it using dot then dot catch method. Simple. Okay, so let's check out how many of you have okay, one more thing, like one of you have asked, what if we change it like xyz1 2 or xyz1. So first parameter is a resolve. It can be xyz2 and xyz1. Let's check out. See, still running. It can be anything because first parameter is resolved and second parameter is rejected. But keep in mind, like if someone else come to your code and check out this, like you are using xyz, what exactly it is. If you are using a promise, there's some standard thing like you have to follow. If you not follow, that code is not readable. So you have to make your code readable so other programmer can use that code or see that or understand your coding. Okay. Okay, got it. So we use resolve and reject. So till now clear, everyone. Now we will move to one question which you have to resolve. Okay. So the question is asking, create a JavaScript function called multiply by 2 that takes a number as an argument and return a promise. Like you have to make one method or sorry, function, and it's returning a new promise. So you can see for your simplicity, I have made this template. It is a function multiply by 2 which takes a number and returns a promise. Till now clear, everyone? You have to figure out like how to break down the question and understand what exactly it is asking. Okay, directly don't jump to the question and resolve solution. First break down the question. Okay, so the first line is clear. Second line, the promise should resolve with the result of multiply by input number by 2. That's mean you should be calling this resolve and multiplying this number by 2 and returning the value. Like if we are providing 36, so it should multiply by 2 and give the result in the resolve method. If it is not a number, like how you will catch this, like when it should be it become wrong when you pass any alphabet like ABC. Will you able to multiply? No, that is a invalid expression. So for this, what we can do, we can call this reject and throw any error. Okay, appropriate error. So this is your work, giving you 5 minutes, everyone. Again, after 5 minutes, I will be solving this. Okay, but I need your confirmation and I need your effort to solve this question. I will see everyone. Okay, go on, giving you a 5 minutes timer on. Okay, I will be pausing. Okay, now let's check out. So many of you have done good, everyone. Okay, whoever have tried and not able to resolve, now let's check out. First of all, what the question is asking, like what we will do first? First, we will check it, like if it is number or not. The first thing, so we will say if the type of, everyone know type of? Yeah, it's keyword to check, like if the what is the type of that variable. So we will do type of number is equal to number. If it is number, then what we have to do, the question is asking to resolve it. Okay, we will resolve it and we will pass the value. So the value is number into 2. Got it till now, everyone with me? Now else what we have to do, we have to call reject. So what we can do, we can throw an error, new error, custom error we can pass, invalid type. Okay, invalid type. So this is the way we have created the promise. Okay, we have created the promise. That's simple. Now we have to consume this. As we know, we can consume using dot then dot catch method. Okay, so now we will call this multiply by 2 and we will pass this input number. Now, after calling this, we will not get answer. We all know because it is a returning a promise. It will be a pending state. So we will use this dot then. And inside dot then, we know it gave a callback function. It have a callback function. That catch also, it have a callback function. And both have an argument which it's come from resolve or reject methods. Okay, clear everyone? Now what you will do, you will just console it, console.log. This is resolved, resolved, and the value is E. And if it is not resolved, we will directly write. Okay, we will make it next line, console.log. This is rejected due to whatever the reason it will be throwing. Okay, now everything clear? We have also resolved it, also rejected, we have created it, we have consumed it. Now if we run this program, we clear this, and if we call this one, so let me turn on, yeah, see, this is rejected due to error invalid type, because you can see like the input number is a string and this is being rejected and throwing an error invalid type, and we are catching using dot dot catch, and we are consoling this. Now what if we are giving some number like 5? Now if we run this, see, this is resolved when the value is 10. Clear everyone, how to create and how to consume it and what is the way? Everyone clear? So this was the all topic promise. So everyone please try to figure out everything, and also you can go through some documentation if you want, but I think it's not necessary. And one thing is that everywhere notes is not mandatory. If you learn anything, if you know everything by heart, like how it's working, how it's what is the error, how can we can debug that, everything if you know about that, so you don't have to go through the theory part, because you can generate the theory. If you know how to make a promise, why it is made, so you can explain anyone. There is no need of notes if you know the thing by hearts. But if you want to go to notes, it's also okay. But try to figure out all the things related to any one topic, then only move to the second. All clear, everyone? Okay, then we in the next class we will be seeing a different topic. Thank you, everyone. Bye.